Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the oil life on a Honda Accord from 2012 and onwards. So first off, you want the ignition to be on. If you have a start-stop button, press that twice to start the ignition, but you don't want to start the car, you just want your ignition to be on. So for the next step here, with the ignition on, you press the right button as you see in the image here until you see oil life in the display. Then with oil life displayed, press and hold that same button again for I'd say around 5 to 7 seconds until it starts to blink. Once it starts to blink, release. Then press and hold it again until it starts to blink again, then release. Then your service light and oil life should be at 100%. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.